Sosi wanted to play and scared Goose into the bushes. Now Raquel and Arbus are trying to get him out and he won't come.
Can you go give me a helmet because I don't want to get my hair dirty?
You don't need a helmet.
Yeah, I do. Fine, then you go through there.
I'm filming Raquel and everyone's going to see how annoying
you are. Oh my gosh. You're filming. Wow. That's right.
Goosey, treat! Treat, Goosey! Who's that?
Goosey.
Goosey! Treat, Goosey!
I don't know if I'm hitting him or not. Goosey!
Do you see him?
No.
I hope he didn't get bit by a raccoon. Great, now this is stuck. Come on, Arbus. You can do it. Sosi, seriously.
Oh my god.
Go, help him, Sosi.
Oh, I forgot he could.
Sosi, get Goose and Arbus.
Oh, I see him.
What is that noise?
It's him.
I've never heard that noise. I hope there's not a raccoon.
It's Goosey. Oh.
Help, Sosi.